Barbie Dreamtopia Castle. It's so beautiful. I want to open it right now. And there's bed. The bed turns into a throne. Fine. Okay. So I forgot the words. Fine. There's every. You can fold this. I like folding things like papers, airplane papers, toy boat papers. And anyways, open it now if you want to. So hard. Who has scissors? Who has scissors? What? That thing happens to me. Yeah. Come on, little thing. You're supposed to not to be stuck, little thing. Come on. There. Oh God. Heck. There. And as I see, there's a little box. The heck. Heck you, box. Heck you. I heck you. I'll not bow to you, box. And the sun blade. And what the heck? What the heck? Now there's a Barbie house. Bottom. Then there's a scotch tape over here when it's stuck. So, there we go. There we go, guys. The pretty house of the world. The prettiest house of the world. There's our house. And anyways, I'll get folding. Oh, there's more. I forgot. There's more. Don't think. Fun. So many stock accessories on this. Come on, take it out. There we go. No more. This is our accessories. Let me get the rubber hands. Oh, yeah, I forgot it's locked. I got it open. There. I mean, not there. I cannot well open these. Maybe I should. Maybe I should. Come on me. Okay, I cannot open this. Oh, the little puppy over here. Anyways, I'm ready for this. I'll open. What's stickers? Don't there. Come here. There we go. And the other one. There. Come on, please shoot. Come on. There we go, our coach. And now time for the most favorite thing in the world. Stickers, brother. I love stickers. Long time ago I don't like stickers. Now I love it. Rainbow sticker. Oh God, so sticky. So sticky. Oh. Let me try it again. Oh no. It's okay, no need to worries. It's okay, it's not. Then turn over. They're almost Malibu Barbie. What? How to get it out? There we go. Again. This time will not rip this time, and this is ripped. Please do not rip. A friend? A fellow sticker friend? And in this one. I'm in the light side, not in the dark side. I'm afraid when it's a dark side. Ah! There we go. There we go. And I have some more stickers. Let me see this little instruction. Okay. Now I open this. The lock. How does this? What? How did this do? How do I open this? Selection. How did I open? How did I open? Oh, okay. I open it. Wow. Wow. Let's do it. Over. What? Oh. This. Oh, wait a minute. There's a thing. What's that thing do? What does thing? What's this thing? Nah. What's this thing? What's this? Bleh. Bleh. I don't need that thing. Here's the phone. And it turns. There's up and down and oh, there's a cushion over here. And there's a crown. And if you see, how do I hold this? Malibu Barbie. Okay. What? Come on. Can you please stop for this? There we go. Now there's the bed. Oh, here it is. Oh, the couch. Oh, and there's a photo. Wait, what? Maybe it's like this. Over. I think it will fold this too. Because I see the little mirror over here. Oh yeah, it's a window. That means it's gonna fold. No. If I want fold, it's my Barbie. You can press over here first. Take a press. I just bumped into a box. I don't know why how to spin this. Come on, come on, come on, come. Ah! On, please. There. Place one. Just place one bar. Dear. No, no. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. The cloudy, 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 clouds. Check her. Banana, 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 bananas, bananas.